I've got the Redmi Note 15 Pro, and let me show you how to insert SIM cards. Now, this phone takes two physical nano SIM cards, and the first thing you want to do is identify where the SIM tray is. And for this phone, the SIM tray is right at the bottom of the phone, as you can see right there. And all you have to do is grab the SIM ejector tool and put it into that hole on the SIM tray. So just push it in like that, and then you want to push perpendicularly towards the phone, and that's gonna make the SIM tray pop out. And once it pops out, you can now use the tips of your fingers to pull out the SIM tray gently. Okay, simple as that. Now with the SIM tray out, you can now see that it takes two physical nano SIM cards. Now right here, this is where you place SIM 1, and then on the other side you place SIM 2. So I'm going to show you how to place both of them because I do have two SIM cards here. So for SIM 1, when the SIM tray looks like this with this hole on your left, you want to place the SIM card like this. Okay, so with the contacts facing up, so you place it like this with this indent on this side. Let me make sure you see. So you can see this little indent. Make sure it's on this side, and you want to place it like that. Okay, to match the indent on the SIM tray itself, and make sure when it sits in there, it's completely flush. Now you can turn it around. If you want to use a dual SIM setup and you want to use two nano SIM cards, just turn it around, and then for this other SIM card, you want to place it this way. All right, so with this little indent looking here, matching this indent like this. So this one goes in horizontally onto the SIM tray like that. And again, you want to make sure it's completely flush. This one sits vertically, this one sits horizontally. And then once you have them, both of them flush, you might need to hold them with your fingertips like that. And then now grab your phone and insert the SIM tray with the two SIM cards back into the phone. Okay, now keep in mind that you do not need to use any pressure. Now, as you're inserting the SIM tray back into the phone, make sure SIM 1 is the one facing up. Or basically, you can see this little hole to the left of the SIM tray. Make sure also in the slot, the hole is on the left hand side. So make sure also on the SIM tray, the hole is on the left hand side, and you want to just slide it in there. Okay, so just make sure you're still holding the SIM cards in place, and you just want to slide the SIM tray with the SIM cards into that hole. So if there's anything sticking out, then it's going to refuse to go in. Okay, and keep in mind that you do not need to use excessive force. It should just slide in with minimal effort like that. Okay, so just make sure it goes in there just like that, as gently as possible, and it's completely flush with the base of the phone. All right, now you can tell they're inside because you're going to have two sets of network bars in there. So you can see on the left, I have two here. This one is not picking up the network, but you can see once you see those network bars, it means there's a SIM card inside the phone. All right, so you can see the network bars for both SIM cards, and that's basically how to insert the SIM cards. Now you can also go into settings to manage the SIM cards and also to confirm that they are inside. So if you go into settings and then select mobile networks, you can see both of my SIM cards have been detected here. So that is basically how to insert SIM card or SIM cards in your Redmi Note 15 Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.